Hi, Chef Tim Souza here from Poor Judgment Bar and Grill, Newport, Rhode Island. I've been a local chef for about 10 years now, and today we're going to make a ricotta cheese protein shake. So let's dive right in. This shake is a little bit unique. It's a protein shake without using any protein powders or any supplements that are not natural. It's all natural. So you've got multiple ingredients that have high protein contents. We'll start with the ricotta cheese. It's made from the protein that separates from the curd in the cheese making process. Very high source of protein. We also have ricotta cottage cheese, which is high in protein, and it also helps slow down your digestive tract, so you actually absorb all the nutrients from the food you consume. Yogurt, which is also a low-fat option that contains lots of protein as well, and adds that smoothie flavor that you're looking for. We have some low-fat skim milk to add some consistency and a little added protein, and also vitamins A and D. And today we're going to use strawberries and pineapples. Frozen are better because it adds that cold smoothie flavor that you want. You can use strawberries, blueberries, pineapple, whatever frozen fruit you can get your hands on. So we're going to start by combining all the ingredients in the blender. We'll start with the frozen fruit right in the bottom there. Our cheeses, the cottage cheese. Get that right in there. This is just a low-fat Greek yogurt. Add that right in there. The ricotta cheese. Now this is low-fat as well. And last but not least, our skim milk. I'm going to reserve a little bit of the skim milk just in case we need to add a little bit at the end just to get our desired consistency. I'm put this right on here. Take about 30 seconds to blend it up, and we should be sipping our way to a good, healthy protein shake in a second. And that looks about the consistency that we're looking for. Go ahead and pop this top right off. Try not to make a mess. And there you have an all-natural protein smoothie made from all fresh natural ingredients.